chasing the line between wild and insane. Always flying, death-defying, tens of feet off the ground, no fear of dying. I'm the Stuntman, that's the name of the game. Playing with fire, you think I'm insane. 50 feet up, high in the air, like a bat out of hell. I'll double dare. I'll hit the gas and won't look back. I'm crashing down hard and I'm still intact. Living in the fast lane and no safety plan. I'm the best of the best. I'm the Stuntman. I'm crashing cars in a high-speed chase. Metal and flames all up in my face. One wrong move and I'm history, but I laugh in the face of catastrophe. Every scar that I've earned tells a story so bold. Every fall that I take, I roar uncontrolled. The crowd goes wild as the flames fan high. I live for the thrill that I might die. I'll hit the gas and won't look back. I'm crashing down hard and I'm still intact. Living in the fast lane and no safety plan. I'm the best of the best. I'm the Stuntman. Smoke and fire, lights and flames. I'll ride the edge again